Death in reverse. You know, ending in reverse. Something's trying to resurrect in your life. Could be, like I said, family, something to do with those celebrations. It could be all kind of things. What's crossing it is a Seven of Swords. You find out something about something that ended. You find out more about it, why it ended, something that was kind of underhanded. You will find out about it. Okay, and I will clarify these cards as I set them up. After I get through the whole Celtic Cross, I clarify, and it can give me more information or new information, so stick with me. Your goal, what crowns you, is the High Priestess. Looks like your intuition was spot on. Maybe you knew something was up. Maybe you kept on digging, and maybe that's how you found out about something. You kept digging and digging until you found out the truth in some way. Foundation, you're holding back on knowing this information. You're not exactly telling them, or you're holding back on money or, you know, financial stability because of this situation you found out about. Maybe you're not going to give as much. Maybe you're keeping things more closely to yourself when it comes to finances and things of that nature. Getting that with all the cards, it doesn't matter how much I shuffle, and I shuffle these prior, and I meditate on them on each and every sign. It's the Empress. So growth has been starting to come in for Virgo in some way. Blessings. Sometimes it's referring to pregnancies, but not always, you know, because we're dealing with the masses. So it's very few if it is. It's more about, like I said, blessings coming in. Growth. Things are starting to move forward again for you. In the very near future, yeah, something does come out. I'm seeing that you find out about something. Your intuition is right. You're holding back. You're gaining more finances too, by the way, with the Four of Pentacles. You will be able to save more, but you find out about something for sure because you got the Moon in reverse. Something comes to light in the very, very near future. Ooh, Wheel of Fortune, possible future outcome and advice from the universe. I'll try to get this all in. Your luck is changing, Virgo. You're getting some good luck coming in, finally, with the Wheel of Fortune. Things are turning around. That's the universe saying it's in your favor. Don't worry about these things. You're wise into holding what is yours. And you're, like I said, trust your intuition. Growth is coming in, even though you find out about certain situations with people. Outside environment could have to do with the Knight of Swords. Knight of Swords can be an air sign. They are in reverse. They can have very sharp words. And because maybe you know something, or you're holding back, or maybe they know that you know something, they're kind of in a weird way. It also could be that they use deception. Maybe they were deceptive. That's why they're in reverse. Sometimes that's that way. Sometimes they're sick. All kind of reasons why a court card become reversed. But in this case, maybe it's because you found out about something and they were trying to hide it. Okay? Possible future outcome and advice from the universe. There's no hope in this situation. Oh, no, not possible future outcome advice. Possible future outcome. Hopes and fears is the Star card in reverse. I don't know why it's thinking that way, but the Star, there's no hope in this situation, okay? You're thinking that, and the universe is telling you, move forward. You know, don't worry about this. You're gaining money and blessings are coming in. Yes, you were right. You're going to have a whole lot of options. Maybe this person is going to say, I'll do this and this and this for you, but you're looking at it with the Seven of Cups in the upright. Is someone looking at all these options someone's offering them? I don't think it has to do with this Wheel of Fortune. I think something else is coming in for you. But you are going to get a lot of offers and options, probably from the Knight of Swords, saying, I'll do this, I'll do that, I'll make up for it, I'm feeling this. I'm really intensely feeling that they're going to try to make you a lot of offers, and none of them are going to be really good for you, and you may reject them. You may be looking at them saying, really? Are you serious? If you look at this cup, it's got dragons in one, and a hidden mask in another, and poison berries in another, and another woman in another, and a snake. So they're all not good options, okay? They're not good options. So the universe, when their advice is going for something else, move forward to something else that's more prosperous, and it is prosperous, okay? This situation you already know is hopeless, okay? Now let's find out what's going on. Like I said, I can add more to the story or come up, you know, with new information. I could change it around. But I do feel that you're going to catch somebody in the act of something. You're going to catch them in the act. That's the Death in reverse, Seven of Swords. Or you're going to find out something about them. You got some, you know, information that maybe they could be useful to you later. So Death in reverse and the Seven of Swords crossing it. I need two cards for Virgo. Virgo's going to find out something. And sometimes, you know, these cards can flip. That's you in reverse. Yeah, you got to state your truth later, though. You're not going to say right now. You knowing something. You're coming out of hermit mode. With a hermit in reverse and Ace of Swords, and you know the truth now. You got it on your side, the truth on your side with the Ace of Swords, and you may very well use it, but it looks like you may hold back at first. Maybe you're gonna listen to what they have to say. Let me put it that way, and you're gonna go, oh yeah, really, huh? Sure you are. But first you hold back and just let them, you know, spew up a story with the Four of Pentacles. But let's go to the High Priestess. That is your intuition. Yep, you knew the whole time, but High Priestess, I need 2 cards for Virgo. That's what crowns you or your goal. It's a High Priestess in reverse. Ace of Cups. Okay, someone's going to say to you, they're going to offer something to you, because this is the main energy, is that you're right. But someone's going to say, oh, wait a minute, no, you're so wrong. No, honey. I meant it. You know, I love you, you know. I want to offer you kindness. I want to offer you all these things. I'm going to change, baby. I'm going to change. No, they're not. Not. You're going to say, I knew. Well, first you're going to hold back, but you're going to say something eventually. But you're going to say, you know, something, you know, and they're going to eventually offer you something to change your mind, to say, no, you're not right about that. You're just upset, you know, things of that nature. Now I want to move on. 4 of Pentacles is the foundation. Like I said, you're holding back a little. I need 2 cards for the 4 of Pentacles. What's going on? Queen of Cups. Oh, yeah. Someone's not gaining the victory. They're trying to gain a victory over you, but it's not going to work. You're holding back. You're not going to just accept what they have to say. And it may leave some a little on, you know, an emotional side with the Queen of Cups in reverse. Some of you may be dealing with a water sign. But this person is not going to gain victory of you holding back on stuff. Holding back on information, holding back on money and stability, and your thoughts at times. Now, in the past, you are getting growth. You're getting blessings. Something is coming in. For a few of you, like I said, got to do with the pregnancy, but not necessarily. Maybe something comes out about a pregnancy. I don't know. But this is basically that fruition is coming in again. I know that for a fact because you got the Wheel of Fortune there. So the Empress in the upright. Why are you there in the past position for Virgo? Why are you there? 2 cards, please, for the Empress. Oh, yeah, someone from the past. You got to decide on something from somebody in the past. And I already told you that there was some sneaky behavior, something that you really didn't want to confront before, but now that you are in some way, like I said, maybe not right away, you're thinking about how do I deal with a situation. You're going to let them talk and try to come up with their own explanations, but you're not buying it, you know. You're going to tell them, I already know what happened with the moon in reverse, okay? I already know, and they're going to try to pull the wool over your eyes. So the moon in reverse in the very near future for Virgo, while you're there, 2 cards, please, for the moon in reverse. I'll do a love reading at the end of this also. Ooh, yeah, you're going to let them have it. Yeah, you're going to let them have it. Ooh, you're going to let them know what you're thinking. I know what you did, and their world's just going to crumble down. Everything they said to you is going to come out in the open. It's all the lies are going to crumble down, and you're going to be holding your own with the Strength card. Yeah. So they're going to try to tell you, you know, a bunch of BS, and you're going to say, like I said, what you're thinking. Now, possible future outcome and advice from the universe is saying this is a good thing that you're telling them this, okay? And they're going to still try to tell you a bunch of BS, but the universe is saying the Wheel of Fortune is on your side. Things are going to start going in your favor. Money's going to start coming in. I do see you gaining more money and finances. But you are doing well. You will do well when it comes to money. I don't think you're going to hand it to them. I think they're going to know that you're getting your fortune and prosperity, and that's probably why they're trying to give you a bunch of spew. Baby, no, I didn't do it. I swear I didn't do it. But you're like, right. And you know, you're going to move on. You are going to move on, okay? So the Wheel of Fortune in the upright. I need 2 cards, please. 2 cards for Virgo. So this is a reading for Virgos. Yeah, there's that 4. Oh, there's that. Yeah. Oh. Wheel of Fortune, like I said, things are moving forward, become more fortunate, even though you suffered this upset with the unhappy home, you know, where you can't celebrate with this situation because of lies. You know, you are moving forward now because of lies. Now, the Knight of Swords, they're coming towards you, like I said. They're going to give you all kind of words. For a few of you, like I said, these readings can flip where you're doing this to somebody and they're experiencing this. But usually, I'm reading for Virgo. So the Knight of Swords in reverse while you're there. Coming towards Virgo as the outside environment. Somebody lying. Yeah, they're going to say, oh, let's work on this. They're going to say, this Swords energy is going to say, let's work on this. You know, I'll help you, you help me. Let's do a little give and take. We got to work together on this with the Six of Pentacles. Let's collaborate. Let's work on this. I want to. And they may get a little forceful in it, and the words will come out wrong. It really will, because the Knight is in reverse. But they're going to try to push it, okay? They're going to try to push some kind of situation with you where you'll turn in their favor. Like I said, they're going to offer you the cup, and they're going to say your intuition is off, but it's not, okay, Virgo? You're spot on on your intuition. Now, hopes and fears. Got that right this time. With the Star card in reverse, you're thinking this situation is just plain hopeless. I'm going to set a cuss word. Get demonetized when you say that stuff. The Star card in reverse, why you there? For Virgo that thinks this whole BS is hopeless. And they're probably right because they are the High Priestess, their goal. Why you there? 2 cards, please. Yeah, you're thinking it's hopeless with this emotional energy of the Knight of Cups. Some of you may be dealing with a water sign. You know, you could be dealing... Virgo's going to be dealing with all kinds of signs. We're dealing with more than one Virgo here. But what it is the Hangman. You're thinking it's hopeless just to hang around with the Hangman, you know. Being in suspense, waiting for something that's just plain not going to work out. It's going to make you kind of sick if you do. But they're going to be promising you stuff, I'm telling you, with the 7 of Cups, and none of it's going to be good for you. So take with the advice for the universe. Go on with your new fortune, your new life. Don't worry about the secrets and the lies of what people have done to you or said to you. Don't accept cups that are no longer viable in your life. So the 7 of Cups, why are you there? I need 2 cards. Why are they being offered all these cups, Virgo? Yeah, go for that Wheel of Fortune. Don't go for these cups. Yeah, but the Lover in reverse. They're going to offer you BS with the Page of Cups in reverse. False promises, false situations all around. It has to do with a lover situation. They're going to promise you the world, but they're just going to deliver you poison and snakes and mask of lies. Yeah, and you're going to put a halt to something with the Chariot in reverse because of the lies. Now, you can go forward with this Wheel of Fortune, but don't let someone take advantage of you, because that's what's going to happen if you accept this person back, even though you found out something. You catch this person red-handed, whatever it is. It has to do with a lover situation. It could be a third party. I don't know. It could be that you just feeling this or whatever, but I think that you are on spot on myself. And you're going to, they're going to promise you the world. They are. They're going to come back and promise you the world. Now, I'm going to give you a 3-card love reading. Let me clean this up. I need 3 cards for Virgo. 3 cards for Virgo. For the love reading. 3 cards for Virgo. Tell us more. Either it'll take off from this reading, like I said, this last reading, or it'll tell us more information, new information about love. I need 3 cards for Virgo. Sun, Moon, and Rising for the very, very near future for Virgo. I do meditate on these cards before I even turn on a video. I shuffle and I meditate constantly. I like to get them nice and mixed up, and I like your energy to be all around it. Separation. Yeah, you're gonna split on somebody. You're gonna time apart from your partners on the horizon because they lying. You're attracted to somebody, whether you're still attracted to them or somebody else. There is attraction there for somebody. Let's find out. You're attracted to romantic love by enjoying a moment fully. So you're going to separate. Maybe you're going to be attracted to somebody else. We'll find out. Yeah, go find somebody else. It's safe for you to love somebody else again. Yeah, you're going to separate from whoever that is going to tell you a bunch of lies. And a lot of you, it hurts when you have to celebrate. I understand that. I did see the 4 Wands where it was an unhappy situation. But you are going to find somebody else. Someone else is going to come in. Sometimes the universe does this to separate us from things that are not good for us, to push us forward to things that are. And you think, no, I'll never love someone like I love this person. I hurt so bad. I want this person back. a year from now, you know, I'm just speaking off the top of my head, a year from now, you're not even going to care about this person. You're not, from the past. You're going to be finding new love. You're going to find new people that are coming in. And it's there for you so you can be happy, because you would not have been happy with his lying BS, okay? Just letting you know. I'm going to let this go, and I'm going to put it forward as soon as I can, or upload it. Try to get better. And I'll talk to you later, Virgo. You got new love coming in. You got new fortune coming in. Do not bring trash back into your house, okay? Talk to you later. Bye.